Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, so we did close barely above that middle Bollinger Band, but we knew not to believe the bulls because of the big upper wick of profit taking the previous 2 days. And yet again, we reject from the middle Bollinger Band and now dump. So we have the election day dump, the bounce, reject from the middle Bollinger Band, establish support, reject 3 more times, and now we have a lower high and a lower low. So we're looking down at the low of today's support, 117.95, 117.80, and 116.84. The bears are very clearly in control of Facebook right now. All moving averages are back to resistance. The weekly time frame with that weak follow through last week with the upper wick showing profit taking has now seen a lower high and a lower low. No follow through for the bulls this week. And here we are looking back at the 50-week moving average support of 116.41, that must-hold level that has held big pullbacks back in the past couple of years. So that is a very important weekly moving average to keep an eye on. And we did see weakness right out of the gate on Facebook today. On the 5-minute chart, multiple candlesticks rejecting from the 100 and 200 period 5-minute resistance. 3 candlesticks in a row. Then we pulled back, tested the 20-period moving average support. We held it, lower high. Now a new low of the day. Bears take over. And then they really took over. Look at this dump for over an hour. Increasing bear volume. Just straight up red. And if you weren't already in a bearish trade from the new low of the day being hit right here, 119.77 was the low of the day. So that breaking was another bear signal. And there was 10, 20, 30, 45 minutes of straight up red once that new low of the day broke. So all kinds of weakness signals in the first hour of trading today. And then from there, look at the lack of a bounce attempt here by the Facebook bulls. And we hit a new low of the day. And then lower highs, and we did see a little bit of an uptrend try to form here at the end of the day, but compared to the pullback on the whole day, not strong at all. Looking at the hourly time frame, we have lost all hourly moving averages. Let's zoom in, the 2-day here. And that 200-hour moving average resistance, 119.05, should now be strong from here on out. And we have held that support for the past few days. Let's zoom out at the 10-day, and we can see since the bulls showed up in a strong way, this 200-hour moving average had held. So now we lost that level, and it's very clear that Facebook, we've been saying it, at least in the chat room, I'm sure I've said it in these videos, that out of the election day dumpers that saw that bounce over 2 weeks, Facebook was the weakest out of all of them. And I'm talking about Tesla, Netflix, Amazon, Baba, Baidu, Apple. Facebook clearly the weakest, and showing that with its inability to get over its daily middle Bollinger Band and its weakness today on the dump. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. We know where momentum is looking, and if the S&P 500 continues to consolidate, we will expect Facebook to continue bearish action as well. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.